Returning an AirTalk wireless phone involves understanding a few key points. First, you need a Return Merchandise Authorization (RMA) number. Contact AirTalk support via their website, app, or customer service line to get this. This RMA is critical. Without it, your return will be rejected. Returns are generally accepted within 30 days of purchase, but this can be shorter for refurbished or clearance items, so double check. You'll typically pay for return shipping unless the phone is defective. In that case, AirTalk will email you a prepaid shipping label after RMA approval. Proof of purchase, like your receipt or order number, is also a must. Remember, international returns aren't supported. Knowing these basics will make the return process much smoother. Once you have your RMA, securely ship the phone back to AirTalk using the provided return label. Keep a record of your tracking number for peace of mind. After AirTalk receives and inspects your phone, a full refund will be issued to your original payment method within 5 to 7 business days. Keep in mind that restocking fees up to 15% may be deducted for non-defective items, and original shipping costs are not refunded. Exchanges for the same or equivalent phone model are possible, but depend on stock availability. If you had a prepaid plan, any unused airtime may be credited back. It's always a good idea to keep a record of your return tracking number for your own peace of mind. If your phone is defective or eligible for a free return, make sure you take photos and document everything before sending it back for your records.